Tips for mindful eating and portion control. Mindful eating transforms your relationship with food. Start by paying attention to your body's hunger and satisfaction cues. Chew slowly, savor each bite. This enhances taste and aids digestion. Make each meal an event. Plate your food attractively and eat without distractions. Portion control. Use smaller plates and fill half with vegetables. It's okay to leave food on your plate. Eating everything isn't necessary if you're satisfied. Eating and portion control, a simple, powerful approach to healthier living.